currency strengthening for us. Lloyd, did you have a break?
Hi, evening everybody, or afternoon everybody. Yeah, actually, this would be my busiest year-end break I ever experienced for the past 8 years, I think.
Yeah,
because because I'm also at the same time preparing for some sister stuff, business side of things. But it's a good break away from trading. So that it actually clears some my space. For new ideas.
Cheers, mate. Over to you.
All right, so let me grab the screens. Okay, same old stuff. Let's go through the currency indexes. Now, because I actually analyzed the currency indexes from a weekly point of view, I would say actually nothing really changed much from it. I mean, I just revised some levels, but let's go through some of them and see what is happening. So the first on my list is actually dollar index. Now, I think since about a couple months back, I've been expecting dollar strength, and dollar is indeed still strengthening. I mean, in terms of trend trading concept, you can see beautiful high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, and this will be our high, low. So the DXY has been behaving quite beautifully for the past, I think, 2-3 months, can be seen from the weekly bars. So price has now actually retraced back to $95. Very, very nice point for a bounce off. So on saying that, I think the DXY is the most bullish pair I have among all the other currency indexes. Now, possibly also maybe in the bullish side, but in fact, I'm actually quite skeptical about it. It's actually the British pound. What happens is that now, from a trend trading point of view, this is an absolute downtrend, low, high, low, low, which is complete opposite of the DXY. But what we can see here is that it seems that price has been on a bullish run for the past few weeks, and it has broke above a very nice trend line. So what I'm looking for, if there's any possibility of actually entering long for British pound, this might be it. A safe place to enter per se. I don't see any huge horizontal level that's in the way until 140. But this is a much, I would say, a speculative view from my side. A confirmed view will still be a DXY. Now the Swiss index, overall, I would still say it's downtrend, but really for the past 2 months, it's caught in a range. Nothing much to say about this. I don't really particularly like range trading. Canadian index, I have no idea what's happening to oil, but to me, this is looking very, very rangy. But potential for shorts, because since price is just hitting $80, and even from the past, you can see that price, wherever it interacts with this level, all the way back to 2016, it does get whacked back down. So potential for shorts in the Canadian index. Now, Euro index, this is a very, very nice downtrend. Price broke, retest, and I'm expecting short positions to actually power up in a week ahead. You can see that this particular horizontal level has been beautifully respected in the past. So all I'm pending for is just a nice position on the 4-hour side, together with any other pair that we can actually enter short. Now, I should actually position JXY above EXY. So my bet. But overall, the Japanese yen, I would still say is downtrend, taken with a pinch of salt. Why? Because it's not a beautiful downtrend. It's really price force, range, force, consolidate. Now, what happens now is that price indeed break out the range. Now it's retesting. Let me get rid of the box so you can see more clearly. So I'm expecting short to come out ahead, but pending Monday position. So if there's any of the Japanese yen pair and it gives us beautiful short setup, I can possibly be taking it. Now, of all the potential shorts, I think the commodities pairs, the Kiwis and the Aussies, seems to stand out the most to me. Now, previously, Kiwi against ranging position, price broke out a very nice retest of this level. No doubt price has been retesting this for the past 1 month. But this is like a very sure price action to me that we are about to go short. So keep a look out for that. And the last will be the Australian index, AXY. So against overall seems short to me, and against price broke, retested very nicely with a price action. So pending how the Monday markets opened, we can actually expect some good position ahead. Now, on saying that, as usual, Aussie dollar, this would be trading the strong against the weak. Aussie dollar will be what I'm looking out for. So I'm waiting for price to actually break the trend line and this very nice looking horizontal level. Similar setup, break and retest, and then I will go short. The next pair will be pound Kiwi. It's pretty nice looking, in fact. Very nice uptrend. So either I'll wait for price to actually pull back to the trend line, or it may just whack up, break, retest, and I'll be happy to go in. Yeah, so these are the two pairs I'll be looking out for the week ahead. That's all for me.
Cheers, Lloyd. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. Been a great show. Look, we want to keep it like this each week. We're going to be short, sharp, in and out, 15 to 20 minutes every week. We're going to have 3 or 4 of this team come in, and we're going to have them talk on their specialist series. And if you want to catch them, we'll let you know who's going to be on Wednesday. You can make sure you turn up for the shows for the people you want to see. So just so you know, next Sunday is the 23rd. We will have Julian doing macro markets, Orlando doing US dollar, Chloe and Linka doing trend trading. On the 30th, we will have Ash back doing the FTSE this time, not data. George doing price action and money management, Geoff doing technical analysis, and on February 6th, we will have Ainslie doing gold and oil, Gordon doing stocks, and Dominic doing psychology. And then we'll review the format, see if we like it or not. And if we do like it, we will repeat the entire thing, I would imagine. So that's the plan for TTR going forward, the Sunday market analysis show. As we get more into it, we do a few more experiences of this, we will we'll become a little, we'll let you know who's going to be there. I want to try it for a month before I commit to it. Once we commit to it, we'll put out some schedules well in advance so you guys can see the people you want to see. Really do hope you've had a good break. Really do hope that you are well refreshed. We have got some exciting stuff coming up. If you're in the in Actions to Wealth client, we'll be briefing you guys on that in the next week or so. Do keep the 13th of February, the Saturday after Chinese 12th. I think it is after Chinese New Year. Keep it free. We do have a pretty good event going in there. You guys will love it, and it will be free. So keep the date free and be excited because there's some cool stuff coming. In the meantime, remember this week, as every week, stay calm and make good decisions. And if you do that, it'll work out for you. It's as simple as that, really, trading. Stay calm and make good decisions. There's plenty of good stuff going on. This market may well take off and get a direction for us. This US dollar direction will drive everything. Be interesting to see how that goes in this couple of weeks, whether we do see some buying come into it or whether we do see it sell off. It'll be really interesting to see. Probably reasonable cases for both of them at this point. So we will watch that with real interest. And when we have an opinion on it, we probably have our direction for the next month or two. Thanks for joining us. It's been wonderful to have you on board. We will see you back next Sunday with Julian on macro markets, Orlando on the US dollar, Chloe and Linka joining doing trend trading. Likely next Sunday I will be away. I've got a family thing. Maybe Geoff or one of the team will come in and host it for you guys. Have a good week. See you soon.